I'm so excited! I have like known about the revair since 2018 and I finally am getting the chance to try it. Ooh, I'm so like excited to see like if it works. So here's the big thing. It's like a sucker, a blower for your hair. Here's two sides of my hair. I just got out of the shower. It's like 40% dry. I don't know, like it's wet towards the ends but like dry in the roots. So let's see how this works. And my hair's already been detangled, so I guess we'll just start with this little front piece here. Let's turn it on. Okay, so that was like tension 4 and that was on low heat. Definitely I'm gonna crank that up to high heat and see how that works. I mean, it's stretched. I don't know. It's whatever. We're gonna yeah, let's try heat and we'll see what the rest happens. Whatever. Okay, so that was about 7 minutes or so, less than 10 minutes for sure. My hair is definitely smooth. It's still like got some tangles. Obviously it's not like bone straight, but that's okay because I wasn't really going for that. I was just trying to keep it stretched. And I also wasn't counting. I don't think I kept it on for as long as I was supposed to. Definitely the heat works better. I like that I like don't have to like brush through it while I'm like blow drying or comb through it or while I'm doing it. And so this is like a good state for me to like manage my hair. I was hoping that that would be the result. But it says you're supposed to keep it on your hair for like 60 to 90 seconds for each section. So I'm gonna do that for this side. We'll see what the difference is. Okay guys, sorry my kid woke up so I had to take like a break for an hour, but it's like 2:44 in the morning and I'm finally done. And here's my revair blowout look. Yeah, like these are the results. I'm like impressed. It was super quick. I would say it probably took me about like 20 minutes maybe for all of my strands. Obviously it's not super straight, but it's definitely like blow dried, and I think this is the way to go for me because I'm not really going for like a super straight look anyways, and like even when I do like straighten my hair it always gets puffy in the roots. But if I can do this without like actually blow drying it, I'd say this is great for saving time, and it's less damaging because it's less heat. But I will say for my hair, I will say I have like a 3C hair. Definitely 6 is a good tension. I didn't try 7. Probably could do 7 too. And definitely heat, because they were saying on some of like the recommendations were to do like a 4 if your hair wasn't like that curly or whatever. But definitely need the heat, and it's only 200 degrees. Ow. And I think this is gonna be good for me for like detangling, just to like maintain it and like keep it neat. And if I ever decided to like straighten it with a flat iron, then I would be like one step closer in half of the time with less tools and less damage. So I think I'm gonna keep it. My plan is to do this like every week after like wash day, like wash my hair and then blow dry it, rev it up, just so that it could be stretched. Because I'm just trying to like maintain the length and the tangles, and I kind of like the Amazonian look, like just having it be like wild but stretched. So I'm impressed. Bye, ding dongs.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all.